Hi there, on this short video I wanted to show you how to embed your reviews widget inside your Squarespace website. To get started with Google or Facebook reviews, you will need to have the Pro plan for Embed reviews or any plans above it. So to get started, you will need to head over to the widget section. If you don't have a new widget created, just click the new widget button and follow the steps there. Or if you already have a widget created, just click edit. From the left-hand side in the embed option, just copy the code from here. Next up, we go to the Squarespace website. And once you're in the editor of the Squarespace website, we can just add a new section by Add Section and click Add a Blank Section. From here, we can click Add Blog, search down for Embed option, and click Edit. From here, click the Code Snippet option, Embed Data, and then just paste the copied code from the EmbedSocial widget. So from here, what I would like to do is just give some more space to the widget so it looks better when it goes live on the website. There. So once we click Save, we can exit the editor and we will see a preview of the widget. Here we go. If you need any assistance on embedding the widget on your Squarespace website, please feel free to reach us at the live chat and we will be happy to help. Have a great day.